No way.
I recently had the chance to rebuild my PC and I thought, why not make a short video out of it? I often find myself browsing eBay looking for ATX cases of all kinds. This time I came across a tower in decent shape. Still remember those old IBM ThinkStations and ThinkCenters? So I thought, why not give it a try? The case itself is well built and supports a micro ATX motherboard. Luckily, it also fits a standard ATX power supply, which is a big plus. The cooling situation isn't ideal, but I figured I could improve that a bit. These Lenovo cases usually come with a front card reader and USB connectors. I like the case design. It's simple. No fancy stuff. And the front reminds me of old mainframes and supercomputers. There's also a front handle, not exactly sturdy, but good enough to do the job. The drive trays are a situation. They require special metal clamps to hold the drives, and getting those wasn't as easy as I expected it to be. Nothing in this build is particularly special or expensive, just standard parts I picked up on eBay over the years. As for hardware, Ryzen 7 CPU, 32GB of RAM, and RTX 3070 Ti Founders Edition from NVIDIA, neat and easy. It just needs to run Cyberpunk in psycho settings. Speaking of gaming, once everything was assembled, it quickly became clear cooling wasn't sufficient. Two 92mm fans simply can't handle hardware, pulling several hundred watts. Time to drill some holes. I bought a hole saw from Metal, not really knowing what I was getting into. To make things worse, I didn't disassemble the case before drilling. Yep, but it worked out, although at one point I almost drilled into the motherboard. Too much pressure on the drill.
Normal people won't like this.
Lesson learned? Patience is key. For the next one, I slowed down, watched the sparks fly, and enjoyed the scream of tortured steel. The goal? Add two 80mm fans at the bottom of the case to feed fresh air to the RTX 3070. That card loves fresh air. I considered funneling air from the front fan directly to the GPU, but decided to go for something more exciting. So more drilling, more cleaning. And I kind of enjoy when things are a little bit crappy. Nowadays everything is so perfect, everything's a try harder, but I'm just a person doing my thing. But I can love it myself and still enjoy what I create. I also added two metal fan grills to keep out larger dust particles. Looks neat too. Last but not least, I added a small LED strip behind the front bezel. Was it worth the hassle? Definitely yes. The computer isn't exactly quiet, but I didn't expect it to be. Given the ventilation setup and the placement of the GPU fans, some vibration is inevitable. Luckily, with the manual fan controller, I can ramp up cooling while gaming. What is this PC? A sleeper build? Not really, it's too slow for that. But it's a fun revival of what PC builds looked like in the 2010s. And even cheap tech from eBay can be worth reviving.